हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू सफलता बैच क्लास 61। आज हमारी 61st क्लास है। इससे पहले की सारी क्लासेस आप प्लेलिस्ट से ले सकते हो। आज हम लोग एक लीगल मैटर लिखने वाले हैं। इसको स्टार्ट करते हैं। गेट रेडी। 3, 2, 1 स्टार्ट। The appellant, being the exporter of the aforesaid consignment, claimed for exemption on the ground that the purchase was exempted under the GST Act. Stop. The said claim for exemption was also found to be genuine by the assessing authority and was allowed in full. Stop. The appellant also made a claim for return of tax collected from them by the seller at the time of purchase of tea. Stop. The said claim was rejected by the assessing authority and it was held that they cannot claim for refund under the GST Act since they have not paid the tax to the department, but it was the sellers who have paid the tax and therefore under the provisions of the GST Act, the refund that could be made is to the dealer only, and the assessee being not a dealer, no such refund could be made to the appellant or assessee. Para. Being aggrieved by the aforesaid order, the appellant filed an appeal before the Deputy Commissioner, who considered the contentions of the appellant and upon going through the records found that there is an observation recorded by the assessing authority that the export sales is pursuant to the prior contract or prior order of the foreign buyers, and also that export sales are supported by bill of lading, export invoices, etc. The appellate authority recorded the finding that the claim of exemption under the GST Act is envisaged for the sales or purchase preceding the sale or purchase occasioning the export. Para. However, with regard to the refund, it was noted that the goods purchased are taxable at the sale point and hence the liability to pay tax is on the part of the seller. Stop. Accordingly, it was for the seller to prove that the sales are affected to an exporter in pursuance of prior contract or prior orders of the foreign buyers. Stop. It was held by the appellate authority that since in the present case the aforesaid sellers, namely the planters who sold tea to the appellant and on whom the burden lies to prove before the assessing authority that his sale is for fulfilling an agreement or order of the foreign buyer, had not satisfied those conditions of discharging his burden. Stop. So the appellant is not entitled to refund. Para. The assessing authority accepted the claim and allowed exemption. Stop. But so far as the question of refund of tax is concerned, the tribunal held that there is no question of refund of tax in the case of the appellant, since no tax had been demanded from the appellant for all the 4 years, and therefore in those circumstances there should be no question of refund under the act to the appellant. Stop. In light of the aforesaid findings, the appellate tribunal dismissed the appeal as against which a revision petition was filed by the appellant before the Kerala High Court, which was also dismissed under the impugned judgment and order as against which the present appeals were filed. Para. We have heard the learned counsel appearing for the parties who had taken us through all the orders which gave rise to the aforesaid 2 issues which fall for our consideration in the present appeals. Stop. the learned counsel appearing for the appellant submitted before us that appellant has admittedly paid the tax to the dealer at the time of occasion of sale made to it by the dealer, namely the tea planters stock. ये एक लीगल मैटर हमने लिख लिया है। इसके अंदर स्टार्टिंग के अंदर 105 थी, फिर मैंने डायरेक्ट इसको 120 पर लिखवाया था और फिर लास्ट में 110 पे हमने लिखा है। तो आई होप आप लोगों से लिखा गया होगा। 120 तक आप अच्छे से प्रिपेयर करके रखिए जिससे एग्जाम में कोई भी दिक्कत ना आए। अब आज की क्लास यहीं पर एंड होती है। अगर आप प्रकाश बैच के अलावा, सफलता बैच के अलावा कोई भी अलग बैच जो है वो ज्वाइन करना चाहते हैं तो उनकी क्लासेस चालू है, जैसे कि प्रगति बैच चालू है और विक्रम बैच चालू है। इनकी क्लासेस रेगुलर चल रही हैं। अगर आपको पेड बैच ज्वाइन करना है तो डिस्क्रिप्शन में वेबसाइट का लिंक गिवन है स्टेनो आर्मी का, वहाँ पर आपको जाना है, फिर फ्री डेमो पे क्लिक करना है, उसके बाद अकाउंट क्रिएट करना है। अकाउंट क्रिएट करके आपको जो भी बैच परचेज करना है उसके ऊपर आप क्लिक करेंगे, प्ले ऑडियो पे क्लिक करेंगे तो आपके पास QR कोड शो हो जाएगा। इस पे 499 का आपको पेमेंट करना है और गिवन नंबर के ऊपर व्हाट्सअप कर देना है कि आपने पेमेंट कर दिया है। उसके कुछ ही देर में आपकी आईडी एक्टिवेट हो जाएगी। एक कोई भी बैच आप खरीदेंगे उसके साथ में सारे बैचेस आपको फ्री में मिल जाएंगे। ये चीज़ है, डिस्क्रिप्शन में लिंक मिल रहा है, वहाँ से इसको एक्सेस कर सकते हैं। तब तक के लिए थैंक यू एवरीवन एंड गुड बाय।